So the Tecno Pop 9 just launched, and it's one of my favorite Tecno smartphones ever. Not only because of the additional features that came with it, but also the really impressive price tag. So I'm going to compare it against the Spark 20 because I believe the Pop series is very underrated. The Spark 20's 128GB variant costs 160,000 naira, which is 10,000 naira more expensive than that of the Pop 9. So in this video, I'm answering one very important question. Is it better to purchase the Tecno Pop 9 at 150k, or is it worth adding extra 10,000 and purchasing the Spark 20? Let's talk about design and build quality first. As you can see, the Spark 20 closely resembles the Pro iPhones, which almost every budget smartphone does, let's be honest. Why the Pop 9 resembles the normal iPhones? Apart from them having to steal another company's aesthetic, I can say that it looks actually good. In fact, so good that I almost forgot it's a plastic build. However, I'm still not a fan of the flat edges as they cause marks on the hand if used for a prolonged period of time. So in the design category is a draw. Maybe the Pop 9 could actually win this thing. Maybe. Which one will have the better screen? The Spark 20 comes with a 720p IPS LCD panel with 90Hz refresh rate, while the Tecno Pop 9 comes with the same 720p IPS LCD panel, but this time with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Pop 9 screen is obviously better, but before I give you the point, I just want to let you know that you are not going to be getting full control of that refresh rate. In the settings, you can only select between a standard 60Hz or the auto switch option, which switches automatically between 60Hz, 90Hz and 120Hz. And if you are enjoying this video, do consider subscribing to the channel. It's free and you will never regret making a recommended purchase. So what about the software? Well, the Spark 20 comes with Android 13, whilst the Pop 9 comes with Android 14 Go Edition. The fact that it's Android 14 Go Edition means there are few applications this phone won't be able to install. However, it's still more up-to-date and capable. The performance is probably the most important aspect when it comes to choosing between two smartphones. The Tecno Spark 20 is powered by Megalite Helio G85, whilst the Pop 9 is powered by a new generation chipset from Unisoc, namely the Unisoc 6615. Both chipsets are built on a 12nm fabrication process. But why the Helio G85 is a better chipset is because it's optimized for gaming and performance, hence the G better. The Unisoc 6615 on the other hand is a much weaker chipset built to handle the most basic tasks out there, nothing demanding. I don't mean it doesn't game, it does, as PUBG and even Call of Duty is playable, but it's at the lowest settings possible. So how good is the battery life? In terms of battery capacity, both phones pack a massive 5000 mAh battery, which can last throughout the day, but when it comes to charging, that similarity vanishes. Bruh. The Pop 9 comes with 15W fast charging, which is impressive, yes, but it doesn't reach the Spark 20's 18W fast charging capability. The batteries in these phones are so good, the only time you should charge these phones should be at night anyways, but for a quick charge, the Spark 20 is definitely more appealing. So with both phones tied out, I guess the camera should be the breaking point, not only because it's a decisive factor, but cameras are a huge reason why people actually upgrade their phones nowadays. So let's see who wins. The Spark 20 brings a dual camera setup which consists of a 50MP main camera and an auxiliary sensor that takes good photos and shoots 1080p video. On the other hand, the Pop 9 brings a 30MP sensor and an 8MP selfie camera which shoots 1080p video as well. But the winner is obviously the Spark 20. With that 15MP sensor, you can take better photos and videos. So Spark 20 snatches the final points and wins the comparison. That said, both phones are amazing for what they are, but I feel it's a fair gamble to add another 10,000 naira in order to purchase the Spark 20. It just makes more sense. But if you don't have that 10,000 naira, the Pop 9 is definitely outstanding for you. I have the full review out here and click the card on the screen to check it out.